Hi, Cinnabon. He seems a little tired today. Aren't you, little boo? Is that why you're getting some shade? Oh. Looks like the berries need a little more time. And they need some water pretty badly. So they start out green, then they turn red like you see. And then when they're ready, they turn like a purple color. And I think they need a lot of rain. And we haven't gotten a lot of rain, have we, little boo? We need it pretty bad. Yes, we do. We need some rain pretty soon, my friend. Hopefully we'll have a nice harvest this year. I might be able to get 1 cup. I think we might get some rain the next 5 days, but unless there's a lot, it's going to be a problem. What you doing? You getting some salad, little boo brains? Little salad cat? I wonder how he knows which plants are good and which ones are bad. Probably some of it's instinct and experience. Oh, little boo. Got some oak leaves over here. Wow. Aren't you gonna come over and follow your daddy into the woods? The sun over there. Whoa. Lens flare. We have a little baby. Still checking out his greens. Well, hello there, little prince. Hi, little boo bear. Uh-oh, got a little scratch. Come here, sweetheart. Come over by daddy. Unless you just want to chill out here, we can do that too. Yeah. It's a hot day. That's an interesting position, little boo. Oh, he just wants to chillax. He was out late last night. He came back, it was like 11:30 or so. He was out a long time, weren't you, little boo? A little outdoor kitty you are. You a comfy cat? You look pretty comfortable, my friend. What you looking at, my friend? What do you see out there? Is it your friend Bean? Maybe it's a bunny rabbit. What's that bird saying, my friend? Oh boy. Look at that little birdie. Oh, it's flying away. He's saying, I know you're there, little kitty. You ain't gonna get me this time. Probably warning all his friends about us. Or you. Oh boy, he's on to something. I think that's just the neighbor's little boo. He's a little all-star, isn't he? He's a tired baby too, I think. Oh, I think he's gonna go night-night. Oh yes. Well, thank you everybody for joining us in this nice short woods walk. We'll talk to you later. I hope you're being safe and healthy. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Cinnabon, don't you want to say bye-bye? Oh, I forgot you hate goodbyes. Some of the time.